In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom wallpaper for the Firefox new tab page. Firefox allows you to personalize your browsing experience, and one of the easiest ways to do that is by changing the background image on the new tab page. If your version of Firefox supports custom wallpapers, you can choose an image from your computer and use it as the background whenever you open a new tab. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser has launched, open a new tab so you can access the Firefox new tab page. On the new tab page, look for the Customize button, which is usually located in the lower right corner of the page. Click it to open the customization panel. When the customization menu appears, locate the Wallpaper or Background section. This area lets you choose how the new tab page looks, including selecting built-in backgrounds or using your own image if the feature is available. Choose the option to upload a custom wallpaper or add an image. A file browser window will open, allowing you to browse the files stored on your computer. Navigate to the folder containing the image you want to use. Select the image and confirm your selection. Firefox will process the image and apply it as the background for your new tab page. Depending on the size of the image, this may take just a moment. Once it's applied, you'll immediately see the updated background whenever you open a new tab. If the image doesn't look the way you expected, you can return to the customization panel and choose a different image. Selecting a high-resolution picture that matches your screen's aspect ratio usually provides the best results and helps the background appear sharp and clear. You can also switch back to one of Firefox's built-in wallpapers or remove the custom background at any time by returning to the same customization settings. This gives you the flexibility to change the appearance of your new tab page whenever you like. Personalizing your new tab page is a simple way to make Firefox feel more your own while keeping your favorite background visible each time you start browsing. If you don't see the option to upload a custom wallpaper, your current version of Firefox may not support the feature yet, or it may still be rolling out to users. In that case, keep Firefox updated and check again in a future release. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.